Четвертый класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Теперь я знаю. Страница 69, 70, 71. English. Spotlight for homework. Now I know. Page number 69, 70, 71. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I am glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I am very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 69. 69. I walk in the wild. Spotlight on Australia. Exercise number 1. Read and answer. Прогулка на дикой природе. Прочитайте и ответьте на вопросы. Pine Walk Koala Park. Treat yourself to a special day out. In Pine Walk Koala Park you can hug a cute koala any time of the day. Feed friendly kangaroos and emus. Walk around the beautiful forest in the park. Have a picnic by the side of the river. Meet some fun-loving Australians. We hope to see you soon. Which animals can you see in the park? Koalas, kangaroos and emus. Where can you have a picnic? By the side of the river. Who can you meet? Some fun-loving Australians. What time is the park open? At 8:30 a.m. How much is it for a child? $11. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 70. 70. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Look and match. Теперь я знаю. Словарик. Посмотрите на картинки и соотнесите их со словами. The answer. Monkey, giraffe, crocodile, whale, hippo, seal, lizard, dolphin. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and complete. Прочитай и впиши название пропущенных месяцев. The answer. February, April, May, August, October, November. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read and choose. Grammar. Грамматика. Прочитайте и выберите правильный вариант. The answer. Pam always watches TV in the evening. Gary and Diana never go to school together. Frank is in his room now. He's reading comics. Do they usually play basketball in the park? Where's Alan? Is he sleeping? My dear friends, do exercise number 4. Read and complete. Прочитайте и поставьте прилагательное в сравнительную степень. For example, a dolphin is cleverer than a whale. The answer: an elephant is shorter than a giraffe. A kangaroo is bigger than a lizard. A tiger is taller than a dog. A hippo is fatter than a seal. A monkey is funnier than a parrot. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 71. 71. Exercise number 5. Read and choose. Прочитайте и выберите соответствующий глагол. The answer: you mustn't eat with your hands. You must do your homework. You mustn't go to the bed late. You must help your mom. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Communication. Read and choose. Общение. Прочитай и выбери соответствующий ответ. The answer: Jane is playing volleyball. Yes, she loves volleyball. Do you always go shopping on Saturdays? Not every Saturday. Are you listening to me? Yes, I am. What is he doing? He is swimming in the sea. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 7. Reading and writing. Read and complete. Чтение и письмо. Прочитайте и заполните таблицу. Hippos are very big animals. They live in Africa. They are very fat and can be from 3,000 to 4,500 kilos. Hippos have their babies during the rainy months of October and April. They sleep most of the day and eat at night. They eat grass and live for about 40 years. The answer: lives in Africa, has babies in October and April, eats grass, lives for 40 years. My dear friends, we must do the task. Now I can. Теперь я умею. The task. Talk about animals. Name the months. Talk about the rules. Write about animals. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.